Welcome to Customers Money Training. This is a live call, and if you are on the live call, use that chat box to ask questions. If you are on the recording, we're on YouTube, maybe on Facebook or any other channel, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines. Because this is a paid training, but we are giving it away for free to everyone. Right? We deserve a like, yes or no? Okay, so even if you don't have Epic or Grants or any of our softwares, don't worry about it. You can still use this strategy to make money online from anywhere on the planet and from any experience level. And you can make money via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, cryptocurrency. Life is big. Internet is open for everyone, and you can make money too. By the way, Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. You should start today. All right. Now, this video might be a little bit of boring sometimes, ums and ums, but I will ask the editor to remove most of the boring sections. But we will show you live how to make money. But before we go there, let's go to today's money motivation. Woo! This looks good, right? $1,859.34 today. Yesterday, this is, by the way, this is one of my Warrior Plus account, okay? This is a live page. Let me refresh, all right? Okay, so $1,859.34 today. Yesterday, $762. This is 30 days earning, and this is last month's earning. This looks really exciting. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of the full page and let me show you the most important numbers. You might be thinking that money is the most important numbers. No, the most important numbers are these visitors and these hubs, which is also visitors. They are the real people who paid their hard-earned money based on our recommendations. So we respect them, we love them, and that's why we give them this training so they can also get results like us. Now, how do we get visitors? How we get customers that pay us money and we make money? And all this money from our customers. We love our customers, we respect our customers, and we will do everything to help them get results. And this is one of the examples. Okay, so we got it here, all about visitors and all about customers. Now in this video, I will show you how you get customers. Now, how do we get customers? The answer is simple, we make video, but we cannot make videos using camera and microphone all day long. So we built a software called Epic, and Epic solved all our problems. And today, we will show you how you can use Epic and get results. Link is in the description. You can grab Epic and start today. So let's go to this campaign. You can start with create new and use our template, the money template. Before we begin, Epic allows us to make videos using image, text, and links. Epic is an artificial intelligence software. You can go to the text section and click the text generator and copy any text from anywhere, put it here and use any of these buttons, use the artificial intelligence and rewrite a script for you. Now, once you write the script, take that script, go to the audio section and go to text to audio, click add and put your text here and select your favorite voiceover artist, click submit and your natural sounding voiceover is ready without you shooting on the camera or using microphone. And finally, Epic will allow you to make bite-sized videos. It can be 1 second long, can be 10 minutes long. And you can simply save the campaign, go for other work, come back later, make another section, make another section. Once you're happy with your video, simply click the render button and the video is ready in the background. Download it, upload it anywhere, and YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all these channels will send you customers. So let me show you an example. I searched with e-commerce and I found this channel. Now this channel has got 15.6 million views. Each million views equal $3,000 to $6,000 or even $10,000 from AdSense alone. Now, they can even get far more money from the links in the description that can be there. coaching programs, their own software, so can be affiliate links. But here is a problem. If you look at these videos are 1 hour, 4 hour, 5 hours long. How do you make these long videos? The answer is, in reality, in real life, with camera and microphone, you can't. But with Epic, you can. In my opinion, if you want to make a 1 hour long video, just work 10 minutes per day. 10 minutes, make 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 segments if you want. Make as small or large size as you want each section and work 10 minutes per day. In 6 days, your video will be 60 minutes long. You want to make longer videos? Go ahead, make more. The longer your video, the more ads will be shown on your video and YouTube will love it. They will promote your video. You will get more and more views. More and more people will watch your video, watch your ads, more money you make. And more people will click your links and you make more money, affiliate commissions or selling your own products. So this is so awesome and that's how we make money. But now let's talk about customers. Who are the customers who have credit cards to pay for their solution? How do you get customers? The answer is you help people who are already paying for something. And that has to be something simple that anyone, literally any beginner can do. For an example, let's go talk about Shopify. Now, Shopify is a platform that maybe you use, maybe you don't use. Maybe you have no idea about Shopify. Maybe you're an expert on Shopify. But let's consider, for example's sake, you are completely beginner. Shopify is an awesome solution for creating your online store and running your online store, but it's not cheap. If you go to the pricing, you know their prices. For the beginners, it's not easy. Even if you're not making money, you have to pay minimum $29 just for the basic Shopify. Now for each and every feature, like I'll give you an example. We buy from Amazon based on the ratings. So the ratings and reviews are very important. Amazon made it popular. So if you don't have this feature on your store, chances are you will not make any money. But if you look at the prices of the review add-ons for Shopify, this is extremely crazy. $19 to start with and per month. And $249 is the highest package. And you can even get a custom offer and custom price if you have a bigger store or something. This is just one app. There are so many apps, all are paid. Now this is for yearly. If you pay all 1 year together, this will be your rate. If you pay monthly, it starts with $23 per month only for that rating feature. But this problem is completely solved, built in, and it comes with grants. It's our software. It's here, look, built-in product rating and review system. And grants users are paying one time for this. So we have a problem of the customers who are already paying a lot of money on Shopify, and we have a solution that is grants. We have an insane story to tell to people that they will watch and they will buy from our affiliate link and we will make money. So the first thing we will do, we will go to Epic and start with a strong hook. A strong hook is something that customers want to hear about. We can simply take this sentence from this website, Control C, and paste it here. For an image, we can just take any screenshot from anywhere, capture, using a free screenshot or screen capture tool, like we're using Awesome Screenshot. It's a Google Chrome extension. Now I'm simply going to highlight it, then done, copy this. Look how easy it is to import an image on Epic. Click here, Control V, upload, and the image is uploaded in the library. So just use it here. Awesome. Now we can play a little bit with this text. So let's delete this text from here. I already copied it. Go to the audio section and create the voiceover. That's the secret. You create the script first, copy from anywhere, or rewrite using your text generator, or write it yourself, and then create the voiceover first. By the way, you can use 3 ways to create voiceover. You can upload an MP3 or WAV or sound file, or you can directly record from your microphone if you're comfortable, or use the text to audio. So I'm gonna use this one and use just one or name it intro, and then select the quality, select the type I personally like or the voiceover artist, and then paste it here. Looks good, click submit, and instantly the voiceover is ready. Go to the text to audio section. This may not sound good through my microphone, but it's completely clear here.
Product reviews, ratings, and user-generated content help you to give your customers a voice.
Awesome. I'm gonna add this into this section, and it's added instantly. It's a 7-second clip now. Save it. I don't want to miss anything. Now go to the text section and play a little game. Paste. Now I want specific words to appear when the voiceover says about it. So let's say
product reviews, rate.
So when they say product reviews and ratings, I want this to be here. Then I want another thing, add a little image, go to the image section, click this little circle and put it right here. Or delete it, use the little arrow. Let's use this one, a little smaller, put it right here. This is good. Do you know what happened? This text and this arrow will show up at the moment they are said by the text, by the voiceover artist. Now continue.
And user-generated content.
I'll say user-generated content.
And help you to give your customers a voice.
So a customer's a voice. I will add it.
And acquire new customers.
This is the most important thing. Everybody wants to acquire new customers. All right, now I'm going to play with the locations or the positions. So make it big. This one, make it this. And this one here. We can even make it italic. We can make it underlined. You can play more if you want. Change this color, change this color. Well, just to show you the possibilities. Now let's play.
Product reviews, ratings, and user-generated content help you to give your customers a voice and acquire new.
And this customer a voice, we want it here. I forgot about it. Let's give it a different shade. Oh, it looks good now.
Customers a voice and acquire new customers.
This is good, right? Now, we will go to the story section and we will tell them what happened. We will tell them, hey, Amazon gets all those sales because they have the ratings and customer reviews on top of the product. And if you don't have it on your Shopify store, then you are losing sales. We will use the same image and text and voiceover. Then we will tell them that we found an application that integrates with your Shopify store, and its name is Stamped. We may show other apps as well. There is another one called Power. There's another one called AI Trillion. But at the same time, they are absolutely not cheap. Then we will tell them, in fact, it's really bad. Not only you are paying for Shopify every single month, but also just for our rating app, you have to pay all this money. Minimum $23 a month, and none of them are cheap. So you will basically pay money even if you don't make any money. Then I will tell them, but don't worry, there is hope. And I will show you that in a moment. Not only that, it comes with more solutions, better features, your life will be easy. And in the next section, we will show them the solution. The solution is an application that you have to pay only one time for everything altogether. And then we will show them the product. And the product is grants. We will show them all the features, the sales page, the benefits. We can go on and on, tell them the story. In this section, we will show them more and more benefits. And finally, we will ask them, hey, link in the description, my affiliate link, you can get grants, or there is another link in the first comment. And if you're watching this video from TikTok or Instagram, the link is in the bio. Now, because we told them all this story with a goodwill, by helping them with reference of all these applications, information about ratings and Amazon, how to boost sales, etc., they will love us for this helpful information. We built a trust and we built a rapport. Now, when we ask them with a simple call to action that, hey, solution is out there, you can get it using my affiliate link, they will buy from us. And this is exactly how we make money. And you can make money too. All these informations are out there. Simply use Google, simply use YouTube, and get all this information. And make any size video you want using Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. I will also leave a link to grants. So in case you're interested in e-commerce or you want to have your own store, then you can use grants. Grants is our software. You don't have to pay for domain, no need your own server. You can upload hundreds of products in just one go with all these benefits for a one-time price. Link will be in the description. grab it anytime you want. But they all start with free information on the internet and Epic. By the way, the videos I'm talking about, this will be a live video and I'm going to make this video completely with the full story, and this video will be available for the Elite Club members of Epic. So after grabbing Epic, if you upgrade to Elite Club member, then you will get a video. At the moment, our plan is to add every single day. So every member will get a video completely ready in their dashboard. They simply go here, click add new, and from these sections, they will get all these are videos, done for you videos. So they can upload, they can import these videos and use it as their own. They can change them if they want. They can add more, deduct more, change anything they want, or use them as is and just upload and get results. Super simple, right? Did you love this video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we are even giving away our free tool, one of the best tools ever that we use for ourselves to make money. Links are in the description. Go grab them. So if you liked this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts so everyone else learns how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. They will love you for this share, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money. We just give away everything for free. And people come to us asking to buy from us. And the same will happen to you as well. It happens to hundreds of thousands of people, especially the YouTubers like this man. Such a nice gesture. He's uploading 4 hours, 5 hours long complete trainings. This is so awesome, and you can get this kind of results too. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money training. And we will see you in the next one.